Have you ever wondered how you could create your own personal flow for your yoga practice? In this video, we're going to be going over some of the different ideas that you could start applying to help you create this. Now, this question was asked by one of our email subscribers, Sarah, and it is a great question because I remember when I started practicing yoga over 10 years ago, I'd practice once a week. My instructor's name was Dawn. She was amazing. I loved it. You know, after the first couple of weeks, I wanted to start practicing yoga on my own. And I remember when I would practice at home, I would be confused with what to do. So if you're in that same place, hey, don't worry. We're gonna go over some different tips to help you create your own personal yoga flow. So first things first, if you're doing this, I want you to always start your practice being mindful. Okay, you're gonna get an easy seat. It's the cross-legged position, sitting on your mat and bringing your awareness to your breath. Easing your breath, focusing on 4 counts in and 4 counts out through your nose. Bringing awareness to your body, closing your eyes, and start to connect with yourself. Okay, focus on moment over movement. Okay, doing this, and if you hear running in the background, those are my cats just having a good time. Now, bringing awareness to yourself in the present moment, it's going to help ease your mind, and it's going to also help you reduce your chances of getting physically injured in your practice. Now, the majority of the time when people get hurt is when they're moving from pose to pose. It's that in-between moment that they get injured. That's when they get hurt. Now, that happens because they're not focusing on their body, they're not focusing on their breath, their mind is wandering. So, in your own personal practice, you're going to approach the mat and settle the mind. Bring that awareness to the present moment. Be that observer of your thoughts, of your body. It's gonna help you out so much. 2, the printables. It's a resource you already have, and if you don't have it, you could go to yogarove.com and sign up to get the free password. Print them out or keep them on your digital device and keep them close to you when you're about to start your own personal practice. After easy seat, after settling the mind, okay, look at the printable, look at the routine, and begin to practice that. And the beauty of having the printables is you could go at your own pace. Now, when you are in a class, when you're watching a video, you do not have that option, okay? You don't have the option where I just wanna just be right here in this moment, right now, not be distracted by anything else, okay? And the printables allow you to do that. Okay, and then as like a little bonus tip, keep a journal, keep a piece of paper close by so you could write down the things you like, okay? Keep note of the poses, the movements that you enjoy, right? How do they make you feel? Bring that awareness to your body, to that moment. Now, what I like to do is whenever I see like a video or when I'm at a class and I really enjoy either like a sequence or just a movement or just even a sentence that someone says, like I remember that, write it down, draw it out, okay? And then you could start to compilate everything that you like, which allows you to create your own personal flow, okay? And these are the building blocks, okay, that you're gonna do in order to go in the direction of like creating the flow that focuses on just being free and there is no structure, right? Like the third thing you could do is take 5 poses and just focus on that. That's it. Build that foundation like I was saying. Focus on that foundation. Now, our website has a whole bunch of different postures that you could study. The best resource that everyone loves is our pose guide. It's in our shop. It has over 70 different beginner yoga postures, all these different tips on the breath, warming up your wrists, mindset, the alignment. Like, there's just so many different things that you could focus on, which is gonna allow you to go in that direction of your own personal flow, okay? So to recap, be mindful. Bring your awareness to the present moment. 2, use our printables. You have access to the printables. Print them out, put them on a digital device, keep them close by. Take note of what you enjoy. 3, pick 5 poses to focus on, to practice, to embody, to understand how you feel in them, okay? What this is gonna do is, it's like little building blocks, right? Okay, I know how to move my body this way. Okay, I'm thinking this way. Okay, the breath makes me feel this way. Okay, when I'm focusing on this, this allows me to feel this way. The ultimate answer to all of this, to every little thing, is practice. 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 Bring your awareness to your practice. Bring your awareness to how you feel in your practice. And eventually, you'll just be able to get on the mat and you're just gonna start to move. And you're gonna almost have this like conversation with your body, this conversation with your mind. And it is so amazing to get to that point. And do not worry if you are in the beginning stages of your practice, you know, either your physical, your breath, your meditation practice. It is okay that you can't go to these places where it's like complete freedom, okay? Use videos, use resources as the foundation. Slowly build up your knowledge, slowly build up your practice, little by little. It's what's gonna allow you to create your own personal flow that you're just gonna fall in love with. And the beauty of it is, it's gonna keep changing over time, sometimes day by day, sometimes just based on how you feel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next Yoga Chats. Bye.